factory unlock unit. So, ano ba talaga yung factory unlock unit? So, the factory unlock unit is ito yung nabibili sa Apple Store.
I wanna hear you sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright. Try those eyes.
So, hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, by the way, my name is Pabs. So, welcome. For today's video, guys, we will be talking about iPhone. I know that some of you are still confused about GPP and factory unlock unit, kaya pag-uusapan natin siya kung ano ba talaga yung difference ng dalawa. But before we will proceed to the main video, please don't forget to follow me on my social media account @withlove_by_pabs on Twitter and Instagram. So going back to the main video, we will be talking about GPP and factory unlock unit. So we will start sa factory unlock unit. Ano ba talaga yung factory unlock unit? The factory unlock unit is ito yung nabibili sa Apple. Ito yung iPhone na you can put any SIM kahit wala ng activation chip na gamitin dito sa Philippines or other country na pupuntahan mo. Next thing is the GPP or the semi-factory unlock unit. This unit are basically nakalock siya sa ibang bansa. Kunwari, dito sa Philippines, yung iPhone na nakalock is Globe Lock or Smart Lock. So, yun yung mga unit na hindi natin magagamit kung dadalhin natin siya sa ibang bansa. So, the same thing sa GPP unit na galing ibang bansa, yun yung mga siguro plan doon na binabayaran monthly at yun, pinagsawaan na ng ibang tao doon kaya binibenta nila at meron namang mga wholesaler people, binibili yon at binibenta dito sa Philippines into cheaper price. Kaya, mas murang nakukuha yung mga iPhone. So, for example na lang sa iPhone 5, nabibili na lang siya into 4,500 yung 16 gig. So, mura na yon. So, in order to use the unit here in the Philippines, kailangan i-activate siya using the chip, which is yung GPP chip na para ma-open line siya at magamit siya sa lahat ng network dito sa Philippines. So, one thing lang na kailangan mong gawin to get a not refurbished iPhone is that buy doon sa mga legit online seller ng iPhone. So, actually guys, there are advantages and disadvantages on buying second-hand units iPhones, but I will be discussing that in a separate video. Maraming nagsasabi na yung GPP unit daw is fake daw siya, but actually guys, I will let you know that GPP itself is that hindi siya the unit. GPP is just a chip na ginagamit in order na ma-activate yung iPhone at magamit siya dito sa Pilipinas. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung what we call this, anong itsura ng GPP chip para may idea. Guys, na nag-visit talaga store ng kaibigan ko. if you are interested on buying an iPhone, guys, I will link down a Facebook page wherein nagbibenta sila ng iPhone at the same time, makakaasa kayo na their iPhones are very legit, very mura. So, hindi na ako magmi-mention ng prices dito sa video kasi nga, this video will be permanent. So, I have no control sa mga pricing, sa unit nila. So, be writing down in the description box para ma-update ko lang siya anytime soon kung may mga update when it comes sa pricing ng unit itself. So, I will be inserting a clip na din, guys. Yun na nga, about the iPhones para makita nyo yung appearance niya na maganda talaga at very presentable pa siya. I think that is it for today. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Always remember, you guys are awesome. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!